Good morning and Jai Hind to all. Saraswati Sisukunj Vagwala Borsad English Medium. Standard 3rd. Subject EVS. Chapter number 6. Chotu's House. Students, in previous video we had seen that Chotu is wandering in the Mumbai city, and he was living into the pipe, and he had made so many parts of his house like a dining room, kitchen, bathroom, storeroom, guest room. Okay, so there are so many parts in our house, but today we are going to learn sweet home. Chotu's sweet home. Students, you had seen so many types of houses, like hut is made from grasses and branches of trees. Okay, while boat house, sometimes we are making house into boat. It is called boat house. Igloo house is made from ice. It is called igloo. You can see here. Apartment. Apartment is made with the help of sand, gravel, bricks. Okay, so it is very strong. Multi-storied buildings. Multi-storied. This building has so many story. So it is called multi-story building. If we talk about kinds of house, there are two main kinds, kacha house and pakka house. Let's see students, difference between kacha house and pakka house. It is made up of straw, leaves, sticks, mud and grasses, while pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, gravel and sand. It is weak as it is made up of straw, leaves, stick, mud and grasses. It is very weak, while pakka house is made up of bricks, sand, gravel. So it is stronger than kacha house. It has only one story. Kacha house has only one story, while it can be multi-storied. Pakka house can be multi-storied. You can see in the pictures. Students, let's we come on our main point, sweet home. Students, you must have seen that some animals also live with us in our house, while some of these animals live with us because we want them, while some are there uninvited. There are so many animals living in our house, those are uninvited. Do you tell me which animals living with us which we are not want and they are living uninvited? Yes, lizard, then housefly, ant, yes, ant, spider, yes, spider. So those are animals which we don't want, but they are living in our house from long time. So those animals which we keep with us with our choice are called pet animals, because we keep them to our house and we love keeping them together, while some of the animals uninvited. So let's we see the clarification of invited animals and uninvited animals. Here Chotu is one boy. He is telling to his mother, "You always tell me, mother, the house is belongs only to us, But how do I believe that, mother, when I know it belongs to many more? Here, that boy is telling to his mother, Mother, you are telling me always that this house is belongs to us. But how I believe it? Because it is belongs from many more animals living with us. So in the first stanza, boy is asking to his mother, Mother, why are you telling to me this house is belongs to us? Because this house is belongs from many more. Second stanza, look, mother, how these mice are all playing catch together. And look how these mosquitoes fly, and how peaceful lies the happy spider. You can see here, look, mother, the boy is telling to his mother, the mice are all playing catch together. You can see in the pictures. And look how these mosquitoes are flying in the house. Look. And anyhow peaceful lies the happy spider, and see how the spider is living happily. Okay. In third stanza, the boy is telling to his mother, and look, mother, at the lazy lizard, how slowly it crawls to and fro. And look at so many black ants all marching in a row. Okay, in this stanza, the boy is telling to his mother that, see, mother, you can see in the picture, lazy lizard is crawling slowly on the wall, and many black ants are marching in row. Marching in row means going in a one line. And spider is living happily in his net. You can see here in the picture. Okay. Next. Look outside in the courtyard. The birds are pecking. Pecking means they are doing mischief. They are playing. They are quarreling. And look outside in the courtyard. The birds are all pecking about, just like when my sister and I. Means he is telling to his mother, look, mother, those birds are pecking. Means they are also quarreling like me and my sister. Sometimes fighting, quarreling and shout. In this stanza, the boy is telling to his mother that, look, mother, in the courtyard, the birds are all pecking, just like when my sister and I. As he and his sister is doing in the house. Sometimes they are fighting, quarreling and shout. So birds also doing same like he and his sister. This thing shows the belongingness of house. In fifth stanza, the boy is telling to his mother that is why I say, dear mother, don't think this house is only ours. The boy is telling to his mother, Mother, don't think that house is our house only. Because all who live here and have been living for many years, there are so many animals like a lizard, housefly, ant, spider, rat, cat, those are living in their house. So the boy is telling that, mother, don't think that house is belongs to us only, but it is belongs to all those are living in our house. Students, rats has poor eyesight but have excellent sense of smell, touch and taste. So this is happening when if any one of us has a poor sense of something, then exceptionally we have other good sense. Let's see exercise. Draw picture of any two animals that live in our house. Write their name below the picture. You have to draw here any two animals picture and write their names here. I am drawing here cat and dog. Downside write CAT cat and DOG dog. Okay. How do you keep your house clean? We are keeping our house clean in different way. We are cleaning our house with the broomstick. Sometimes we are doing a mopping. Okay. We are throwing garbage in garbage bin, dustbin. We are not throwing garbage anywhere. And according to your view, you can write your answer. Next question. Who all help to keep your house clean? Who are helping to you? All family members of my house help to keep our house clean. All family members of my house help to me to keep my house clean. Next question. Where do you throw the garbage of your house? We throw garbage of our house in the dustbin. If you have another answer, then you can share with me. You can write in your notebook. Okay. Next question. Is the area around your house clean? Yes, the area around my house or the area around your house is clean. If it is not clean, then you have to clean your surrounding area because it will spread so many diseases. So we should keep our surrounding neat and clean. Picture is there and it is the picture of, this is the picture of decorative house. We are decorate our house on special occasion like festival, marriage, birthday or any big occasion. Here you can see a beautiful picture of decorative house. We are decorate our house on a special day like a marriage, birthday celebration, parties, festivals, okay, like Diwali, Navratri, Dashera. And we are using flowers, caricature, wall paints. We are making rangoli, bandanwar, leaves, some small plants. We are using it for decorating our house. Students, we will solve our exercise. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. A house in which we live with our family is our home. Second, we should keep our home clean. We should keep our home clean. Garbage of the house should be thrown in the dustbin, where we are throwing into dustbin. We decorate our house in a special occasion like festival. Occasion like festival. Next exercise. Question 2. Encircle the pictures of animals that you would like to have in your home. You have to circle those animals which you like to have in your home. Suppose here dog, rat, cat, spider, rabbit, cockroach, ant and lizards are there. You have to circle on dog. Question 3. Answer the following questions. Name a few uninvited animals that live in your house. Spider, cockroach, lizard, mosquitoes, housefly, rat, etc. Uninvited animals live in our house. Okay. Next question. Where should we throw household garbage? So we should throw our household garbage in dustbin. Okay students, we should throw our household garbage in dustbin. Question 3. Who comes to collect your household garbage? Who comes? Answer. Sweeper of municipality comes to collect our household garbage. Okay. In question number 4, you have to draw one wonderful your house and fill color in it. And in question number 6, you have to write about your house. Like my house is big and beautiful. It has 6 or 7 rooms. Those are kitchen, bedroom, dining hall, dining room, study room, guest room, bathroom. Okay, how many members are living in there, that also you have to mention. Students, I hope you will get perfect knowledge of our house, animal which are living in our home. Thank you students.